Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to hide followers and following list on Instagram. Okay, let's start video. Go to your Play Store and update your Instagram app. Open your Instagram app. Click on your photo icon. Click on three dot option. Scroll down. See, there is no option to hide followers and following list. Okay, let's click on account privacy. Switch to private your Instagram account. Switch a private. Nobody can't see your followers and following list without being friend. Thank you.